Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change the button order of quick settings panel in your Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now you can change the button order of your favorite shortcuts to show up first on the quick settings panel. To begin, open the quick settings panel, swipe it down once again, tap on more icon, tap on button order. To move a button, touch and hold it and drag it to the desired position. Or you may also tap on reset to get back to previous setting. Tap on done. So this is how we can change the button order of quick settings panel in your Samsung Galaxy Fold. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.